To record a Flipgrid short, log in to the Flipgrid website. You can use the Educator sign up and create your free educator account and sign up with Google. Shorts is designed for the creation of standalone videos, which is separate from the groups and the topics that you see on the website. Along the tabs at the top of the website, select Shorts. Select Record a Short. Along the bottom menu, you'll find Options, your Record button, and the effects. Everything you do is being added to a timeline. You can select if you just want to use the mic. You can also record from the screen. In the effects menu, you'll find features such as text. You can draw directly onto the screen. There's also options to use stickers, and you can add photos. You'll also find an option to add a frame around your video. When you're happy with your video, select Next. Everything you do is recorded into a timeline. You can add more clips to this timeline. You can also edit it. Click the timeline, drag in the sides, select the part of the clip you want to keep, and press Confirm. Then select Next. If you're not happy with the cover photo, you can select your own frame from the timeline and press Confirm. You can even take a selfie or even upload a photo. There's an optional Add Description and press Confirm. You now got multiple ways of sharing the clip with your students. For example, copying the URL address or even sharing directly to Google Classroom. Your video clip then remains on your Flipgrid account under Shorts.